Ever faced the dreaded broken website? Don't panic, because today we're diving into how to bring your WordPress site back from the brink using a Tar.gz backup. First, you'll need access to your website's hosting panel. Typically through cPanel or a similar interface, locate your hosting provider's file manager. This is where we'll upload our backup file. Click on the Upload button and select your Tar.gz backup file from your computer. This might take a few moments depending on your internet speed and the size of the backup. Once the upload is complete, you'll see your Tar.gz file listed in the File Manager now. We need to extract it. Right-click on the Tar.gz file and choose the Extract or Uncompress option if prompted. Confirm the extraction to the current directory. This unpacks all your website files, including themes, plugins, and uploads. You should now see a directory containing all your website's files. It's crucial to ensure these files are in the correct location, usually the public HTML or www folder of your hosting account. Next, we tackle the database log into your hosting control panel and find your database management tool. Most commonly phpMyAdmin. Select the database that your WordPress site uses. If you are restoring to a fresh database, you might need to import the SQL file from your backup. However, if you're overwriting an existing database, you'll typically need to delete all tables first before importing. In phpMyAdmin, select all the existing tables and choose to drop them. Then, navigate to the Import tab and select the SQL backup file for your database. Click Go to start the import process. Finally, it's time to test. Open your website in a browser. If everything was done correctly, your WordPress website should now be fully restored and functioning as it was before the backup. And there you have it. Restoring your WordPress site from a Tar.gz backup is a powerful way to safeguard your work. Happy rebuilding.